How to reset Wells Fargo password. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Wells Fargo application or Wells Fargo website on your device, and here you will be led to your login portal. So in order to reset your password, tap on the forgot username or password option you see there. So in order to reset your password, you will be required to firstly enter your SSN number and then tap on the continue button, and you will then be required to enter your date of birth. So go ahead and enter your date of birth, and you will also be required to enter your username and your card number or your account number for confirmation. And once you have entered your card number or your account number, tap on continue again. And with this, if the details that you entered is correct, then you will be able to successfully reset your Wells Fargo password. So this was about how you can reset Wells Fargo password. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.